mashed a couple, just a few. Chop up my pork chops, the ones that have the onions that I've already. To our beans, we're going to add some salsa. It has onions, peppers, and lots of seasoning in there. This is the medium, so it's a little on the spicy side and it's chunky. Combine well. Add some black pepper. Add a little Tony's Creole seasoning. You see how nice and thick it is? That's because I mashed up some of those beans. It up. Let's put it on medium heat for about half an hour. Alright, let's see how thick and delicious this is. We're going to add this to a bowl with some cornbread in it. It's got a lot of meat, a lot of onions in there. Those spices and that salsa gave it a lot of flavor in there. And it's nice and thick. Look at that.